Hi friends, hope you are all well and you are in a safer place. And let's all send out this COVID-19 virus out of India by staying safe and practicing hygiene. The thing is that now this video is for people who are in search of booking tickets in IRCTC for the special trains which are being provided by the Government of India, Ministry of Railways. And now we are into the IRCTC mobile application. So in this mobile application, when I open, I am shown an alert. So this alert is saying like you are responsible for your own health and use face mask, maintain social distancing, wash hands frequently. And so basically they are trying to illustrate on the best and hygiene practices, and every passenger is informed to download Aarogya Setu app on their mobile phone. That they are carrying along is mandatory. So there are certain on arrival procedures of each states which are given in few links, and for trains cancelled, refund will be provided fully, like that they are saying. So in this video we are going to concentrate on two things. One is like how to book the tickets which are available from June 1, I mean the 200 trains list, and we are going to see the list of trains which are available from June 1. Okay, so basically when you enter inside this list of special trains running, these are the normal 30 trains which are running to and fro from New Delhi to 30 different districts. So this is something different, but the 200 trains list, it's available over here, and these are the 200 trains list. I will share this particular thing in the description. You can take out this list and check if your particular source or the destination is present in this list. And I hope for Tamil Nadu people there is no trains available in this list, so you can ignore this. When it comes to book a train, directly go to plan my journey. Just click on plan my journey from place to place and mark the date as anything post 1. So you can set the date as 1 or 2 or 3, and basically you can book the tickets moving forward. So this is what I just wanted to convey in this particular video. Thank you.